Now that we're done with our 3-guard, we can move on to our clipper of a comb method. This is going to help us blend into the bulk without chopping too much hair. Now we're going to move on to our 4-guard all the way open and use the comb to feed the hair into the clipper while flicking out as much as possible. We don't want to destroy the silhouette, so we are flicking out, so pay attention to that. Now we're going back to our thinning shears and we're going to thin out the hair. As you can see, we're thinning it out at an angle which is slightly down. As you guys can see, the blend is now coming together. We just got to put a line on there and chop the top. Now that we're done with the fade, we can move on to our gold FX and line up the C-cup. I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch using the corners of the blade. You also always want to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer. Man, guys, tell me that fade ain't clean. Leave a comment down below. Now that we're done doing our C-cups, we can move on to the top. And we're going to use our shears to create our first guideline through the top of the capitis right through the middle. And then work our way to the sides. When we work our way to the sides, we're going to angle it at a certain angle that goes with this head shape. You also always want to make sure the hair is nice and saturated so you can get the hair's true length. If the hair starts drying up, don't be afraid to grab the water bottle and spray them again. When you're doing your shear work, you want to stay as consistent as possible, so definitely take your time. Now that we're done with our shear work on top, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. When using a razor, you always want to keep it at a 45-degree angle and stretch the skin as much as possible with your opposite hand. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and leave a super thanks down below or follow the Instagram.